In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google and Great Notion support services to enhance your productivity and organization. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to refine your skills, I'll guide you through setting up a Notion page and customizing it to suit your needs. First, let's start by heading over to Google and performing a quick search for Notion. This will take us directly to the Notion website, where you'll find all the tools you need to get started. Once you've reached the Notion homepage, locate the Login button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your Notion account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, which is straightforward. Just make sure to follow the on-screen instructions. After logging in, it's time to add a new page. You'll see options on your Notion dashboard, and you're going to want to click on Add New. This is where the real fun begins, as you'll be creating a space tailored just for you. Once you've hit Add New, you'll be prompted with several templates and options. For now, select Empty Page to give yourself a blank canvas to work with. Now that you've got your blank page, let's start adding some content. Begin by simply typing some text. This could be a header, a brief description of what the page will entail, or maybe a to-do list. Simply click anywhere on the page and start typing. Notion is highly intuitive and makes text editing a breeze. Next, let's dive into adding some structure with a block equation. Type the slash symbol followed by block equation to initiate this command. This command is fantastic for inserting sophisticated elements into your page, enabling calculations or structure within your document. Following that, it's time to paste or type the content you need within the block equation. You might be wondering why this step is here. It's essentially allowing you to add customizable dividers within your page, which helps to visually separate different sections of content, making your page look more professional and organized. For those dividers, you can adjust the length, thickness, and color to better suit the aesthetic of your page. Click on the values next to each property and set them according to your preference. For instance, increasing the length will make the divider span more of the page, while adjusting the thickness will either emphasize or subtly integrate the divider line. Finally, change the color value to match your theme or personal liking. Notion offers a palette of colors that you can apply with just a click, ensuring your divider complements the rest of the page. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully created a custom Notion page with personalized dividers. Congratulations on enhancing your Notion experience and staying organized in style. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and don't hesitate to explore all the possibilities that Notion has to offer.